Hey there, crafty friends! Liz here. Look at what just arrived. This absolutely gorgeous box from Altenew. And I cannot wait to dive in. Let's open it up. Oh wow, right on top we got this gorgeous paper and underneath their brand new black foam tape in 3 different sizes. These are perfect for adding dimension to cards and I love that sleek black edge for a clean professional finish. Next up, this is exciting, the One Go Friendship Flowers collection. You get the stamp set, coordinating dies, and stencil all in one. Oh my goodness. Here is the Floral Elegance greeting card kit. Everything you need in one place. We also got this bold outlined hello die. You can never have too many ways to say hello, right? And of course, they have included some gorgeous cardstock packs, total essentials for any project. Now let's play with this kit. I am very excited about this because this is perfect for making creativity easy and meaningful. You can spend time with friends or family that regularly don't craft, or when you are visiting, or simply enjoying calm, creative moments for yourself, or even when you're in a hurry and need to make a card real quick. No experience is needed, just open the kit and start creating. Everything is included, so there is no prep and no stress, just the joy of making something beautiful. Inside the kit, you will find die-cut elements, sentiment strips, foam squares, embellishments, card bases, and envelopes. Everything you need to complete 6 cards. To assemble, simply scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions, and you're ready to craft. This kit is not just about making cards. It is about making connections and creating beautiful moments that matter with your loved ones. Altenew always nails these kits with stunning designs and perfectly coordinated elements. All right, let's put together a quick and stunning card. First, choose your elements, either within the same color family or mix and match. This kit sets you up for success as the elements have a cohesive look to make each project stand out. We are working with the die-cut tier cake design in this beautiful teal monochromatic palette. Super elegant and so easy to pull off. Now start assembling your cake. Just stack and adhere each die-cut layer. It is very intuitive and it is also much fun. It's like building a little paper dessert. I decided to use liquid adhesive. However, if you prefer it, you can add foam tape to the cake for extra dimension and to make it pop a little bit more. Next, let's bring the sparkle, just a touch of glitter accents on the frosting or edges. This adds that perfect bit of shine without overpowering the design. And as a final touch, we add an adorable looking candle. Add foam tape to the back of a sentiment strip. Make sure to dry fit your elements before attaching them to the card base. Once your cake is assembled, adhere it to your card base, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you got a polished dimensional card that looks like it took way longer than it did. Simple, stylish, and totally sweet. In my opinion, this kit will make the perfect gift for a non-crafter, a perfect rainy day activity, or even a great activity for a party. Wouldn't you say so? Please tell me, who would you be sharing this kit with? Also, Altenew is graciously offering a 35% off discount on a microblending brush set to my followers. More details in the description. Before you go, don't forget that I host monthly card making workshops. Please come create with me, enjoy a relaxed time, and let's create something beautiful together. This month, I will be featuring the beautiful Altenew Craft a Flower Butterfly Ranunculus. You also get an exclusive 20% discount on the Altenew supplies used in every workshop. This is the perfect chance to try something new, stock up on favorites, and connect with fellow crafters. Please be sure to check the description box for details, and I hope to see you there. And as always, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me a lot. And also click on the bell so you are notified when new content is available. Please come back and see what I will create next. Until next time, happy crafting!